Hello, my name is Anand Kumar. I'm working with Electrolux from last 2 years. I work as a MES consultant and currently based in Stockholm, Sweden. In Electrolux, we use DELMIA Priso to prepare a manufacturing solution for our manufacturing plants that are based worldwide. An example, I was recently involved with the implementation of our MES solution to Brazil, where they were using legacy system, and now we fully implemented it. We went from master data configuration till the enhancement development and training the trainers, the local IT. So yeah, we use this MES Delmia MES solution to increase the efficiency of our manufacturing plants. Now with this implementation, it's very much efficient compared to the previous ones. And we use here like production module, quality, and logistics also. Before answering this, I'll just do a backtrack of my like when I started this using Delmia Priso. So I started around 5 years ago. When I started it, I was trying to learn more about it, but I couldn't find anywhere else. And then 2 years ago, I was browsing and I came through this user Delmia User Champion Program. So when I joined it, it gave me a lot of training that I was able to utilize, and it helped me with my work. And it also gave me the servers or the infrastructure to practice the hand and do the hands-on what I have learned during the training. So for me, it was very helpful in this program, and yeah, I'm still using it, and I sometimes even I use now to when I face difficulty with my development and all.